we're going to learn how to change the wax filter on Phontak hearing aids and Unitron hearing aids. You're going to take your little tip here. It helps to hold the wire and the kickstand. You're going to take your tip, pinch it, and pull it off just like that. You'll get your wax wheel out, and here you're going to see that there's a number 1 and a number 2. Number 1 is trash. Number 2 is a new filter. You can pinch it here and spin it to get you a new filter when you need one. But what you're going to do is you're going to hold the kickstand and the wire, and you're going to push it down into number 1, and it'll click in, and when you pull it out, it will have kept the old wax filter, and then you push it into number 2 until it clicks. You pull it out, and it gives you a new wax filter. Then you will take the dome and push it back onto the end of the hearing aid, just like that.